Actually, I quickly came back to the shop, decided to test a couple different points. I scoped source to drain, which is actually not that close on that drain to source on that FET, so I'll have to try and do that next week. I scoped the bus bars right there to compare it at the same time with the other probe. Also scoped source of a low side FET to a phase output at the same time to make sure it was reading properly. But I just realized I should give a little demonstration of this noise. The motor isn't quite as quiet as it should be. Listen to that start out. And I think that might be related to everything. Like you can see here, I shouldn't be getting that many. The cycle oscillator shouldn't be showing me that many kilometers. If you go right here, see it jumps up to like, it'll jump as high as a couple hundred kilometers an hour. But it's actually only like, it's not moving any different speed right now, but if I give it more throttle, it jumps up and reads a lot higher than it's actually traveling. So I think the whole thing's related. And that's, again, the yellow trace there is drain to source. And the blue trace is actually the bus bar. So I don't know, I have to do some digging on this and try to figure it out.